Okay guys, welcome back to the third video. So for those of you that don't have a cutting machine, all you would do is print out your images by clicking on the link in the description box below the video. So either one of the three videos you can click onto it. But if you're just wanting to print it out from my blog and cut it out, this is what you would, this is the process that you would be doing. So once you've cut out your images, both sides, so the front and the back side, and the same thing as right at the front and the back side. Okay, what you will be needing is your hot glue gun. You will be needing your plaques. Okay, my plaques I made myself, well, my husband actually made them. I go to the hardware store and get a long wooden plaque thing, and then he just cut them down to size. We then had some wooden dowels, and we made sure that the wooden dowels matched the hole that my husband drilled through in the center. Okay, like so. Oops, wrong way. Okay, because at the end of the day you want to make sure that that fits. Alright, the other thing that you will be needing is some popsicle sticks. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our image, make sure that it is, I'll just see how I'm going to do this exactly. Yeah, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take my plaque and I'm just going to pop my dowel inside here. Oops, wrong way. Okay, and then I'm just going to pull it out and see how much I need to make sure is sitting at the bottom of the image. Okay, so I like to just add just a little bit more extra. Okay, and then we're going to take our glue gun and we're going to start assembling. Make sure that it is straight. Okay, I print out on 200 GSM cardstock, so it is quite a thick cardstock, so you won't need many popsicle sticks to help support it, because we're going to have a second part to it that's going to go on top, and then this is also the same cardstock, so it's quite sturdy. Okay, but we would still like to have a few popsicle sticks to help support it. And then another one. Okay, it's fairly easy. There's no right or wrong way of doing this, guys. I kind of just play by ear on where I want to put the popsicle sticks, just as long as it kind of all matches or joins together. Okay, and then I'll just pick it up and see if it's quite steady. Yep, which it is, but I think I would just like another one across here too. Okay. Okay. Alright, then we're going to take our second piece and we're going to match it up. Make sure that it is all matching up. Okay, and then we're going to start gluing. You know what, I think I might just add an extra one over here too, just to give it just that little bit more support. Okay. Now, the main thing is just to make sure that it is matching up. Otherwise, it won't look as professional. Okay. And then we just go around. matching up. Now you got to work pretty quickly with hot glue, otherwise it just dries too quickly, which is what it did. It just dried too quickly. Okay. Okay, and there you go, guys. There is my little centerpiece. Let's pop it down. And there we go, there's the first one. All right, let's do Ryder next. Now we've got to figure out exactly where we want him to stand. So I'm thinking probably on that foot, yes, okay. So it'll be that foot and okay, make sure. Now this one's a little bit different because it is a lot more thinner than the other one. So let's just make sure he is straight. Okay, and then let's take our popsicle sticks. Let's move you out the way because I think he's in the light. Okay, and let's add our first popsicle stick. Running out of hot glue, so I just need to work fast. Okay, once again, it's just however you want to put the popsicle sticks. Just make sure that they don't show. That's what you don't want, is them to show. Okay. Okay. So that just make sure that he's going to be quite sturdy, which is a bit of a I think I might just put an extra stick over here for more support because it just wasn't feeling very supportive. So let's just add an extra one in there. Because at the end of the day you don't want it to flop. Okay, that's much better. Alright, and then we're going to take our second piece and let's match it up. Match it up. And let's glue away. There. Okay, and get rid of all your stringy bits. Okay, and there he is done. Let's just move you further out so that you can see. tie him down. Probably can't see that. And there he is there. So we've got Blaze and we've got Ryder. Let me just bring it again further up, see if you can see that. There we go, it's a bit better. Alrighty, and that is it, guys. I hope you found this video useful and gonna give it a go at your next Blaze party. Your kids will definitely be impressed. And yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. Please also like, subscribe and share my video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks very much, guys. Bye.